Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best sawhorse. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss sawhorse which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Worx WX051 Folding Sawhorse. Starting our list with a durable, tough, and heavy-duty sawhorse by Worx. Note this, it is not just a standard sawhorse, it is a proper worktable. Acting as a worktable, it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, and acting as a sawhorse, it has a weight capacity of 1,200 pounds. C. Extremely versatile. The best part, the whole unit magically folds up like a suitcase for you to carry it anywhere you desire. The whole unit is extremely sturdy, it has a feature that locks the sawhorse in place while you are working. Hence, you can completely stay safe while working. Moreover, the whole unit weighs only 30 pounds, hence, very lightweight and easy to store. Not to forget, there is a built-in shelf at the bottom as well to store your additional tools and equipment. Pros. Works as a worktable and sawhorse both. Features a folding design. Easy to store and move around. Cons. Its surface isn't flat, so that might be a problem for a few people. Number 2. Bora Portamate Sawhorse. When compared with other options out there, Bora Portamate is a lesser-known brand of sawhorses. Although most of its models are made for heavy-duty usage because of the features and numbers offered by it. Bora Portamate's PM 4500T Sawhorse is present in the second position in this article, as it is the best option for heavy-duty usage in this article. While it is a bit on the expensive side, it can be a great pick if you are a professional carpenter and want to cut heavy and large planks. This is possible due to the reason that it offers a weight capacity rating of up to 1,500 pounds that should be more than enough for you. Even though Bora Portamate is a lesser-known brand of sawhorses, you still get a decent 1-year-long warranty. And as you would expect from any other option at the given price range, this one also offers a great build quality. Its metal top is highly sturdy and strong for easily working with 2x4 wooden planks. Another handy feature of this sawhorse is that you get a foldable leg design for ease of use. Pros. Best option for heavy-duty usage for cutting wooden planks. Offers a great build quality with a metal top. Foldable leg design for easy storage after use. Cons. Pricing is a bit on the higher side for most consumers. Number 3. Toughbuilt Adjustable Sawhorse. As you can tell by its name, Toughbuilt has multiple sawhorse options out there that are built properly and offer a great build quality to the user that makes them highly durable and reliable. The Toughbuilt Sawhorse is the most durable and reliable option present in this article due to its construction and specific things offered by it that are not present in others. For starters, it is the only sawhorse option present in this article that offers a lifetime warranty. Not only that, but you also get an excellent build quality in this sawhorse. When you consider both of these, you can expect this sawhorse to easily last for a long time. Apart from being highly durable and reliable, this sawhorse is also quite functional. You can use it to easily hold up to 1,300-pound wooden planks due to its weight capacity limit. As for the size rating, you can use it with up to 4x4 plank size quite easily. A highly handy feature of this sawhorse is that you get height-adjustable legs in this sawhorse. This can be quite handy to ensure that you get an ergonomic standing position while using it. Pros. Most durable and reliable option in this article. Offers high weight capacity for heavy-duty usage. Easy to adjust height for ease of use. Cons. A bit on the expensive side. Number 4. Metabo HPT Sawhorses. Metabo HPT or Metabo Hitachi Power Tools is one of the best options out there if you are looking for value for money heavy-duty tools that offer a lot of things for the given price tag. The Metabo HPT 115445M Sawhorse is present in the first position in this article as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even though it is quite affordable and ideal for users on a budget, you get a lot of things with it that results in a high value for money. Starting with its weight limit capacity, you can use it for working on up to 1,200-pound wooden planks for cutting them using a saw quite easily. One of the best things about Metabo HPT is that it is a highly reputable brand of power tools that is known for making highly durable and reliable products. Due to this, you get a 5-year-long warranty along with a decent build quality in this sawhorse. Its sawbucks on the side allow you to easily hold 2x4 flat planks on the side for additional workspace while working with this sawhorse. Pros: affordable price tag for users on a budget. Offers high value for money with a high weight rating. Highly durable and reliable option with a long warranty. Cons: sawhorse size is a bit on the larger side. Number 5. Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse. Amazon Basics has been producing high-quality tools and equipment for years, and this pair of sawhorses maintain the streak. This whole bundle is extremely affordable and budget-friendly and has a weight capacity of 900 pounds. Also, these sawhorses are made with high-grade plastic, hence, extremely lightweight and easy to transport. Like all the other units above, the folding sawhorse's design makes them highly portable. Moreover, they feature non-slippery rubber feet to provide you with comfort and safety. All in all, if you are looking for an affordable and best sawhorse, this pair by Amazon Basics can be an excellent option. Pros: high-grade build. Lightweight and portable. Non-slippery feet. Cons: not suitable for professional use. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.